Good evening, and thank you for joining us this evening at our school's open house. We are so happy that you were able to join us. We hope that tonight you'll get not only a glimpse of our building, but also have the opportunity to connect with some of our teachers and some of our current students. Tonight's event will be a little bit shorter than our usual traditional open house due to COVID. However, we hope that you're still able to make some stops at the resource tables, pop into classrooms, and then we're also sharing this video to hopefully provide you some more information about Carmen South High School. In the following slides, you'll learn a little bit more about our school, and you'll also have the opportunity to hear from some of our current students who share a little bit of what their experience at Carmen has been like so far. Before we begin, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ms. Munoz, and I am the admissions coordinator here at Carmen South High School. If you have already submitted your application to Carmen, perhaps we have already met. Otherwise, I am the one that's going to be working with you throughout the whole admissions process. Our mission at Carmen is to graduate all our students as critical thinkers and self-directed learners that are prepared for success in college, meaningful careers, community involvement, and family. At Carmen, we like to lead with our 3 pillars, which is to prepare our students to be college bound, to be career ready, and to be community engaged. At Carmen, we hold a high standard for academics, as we feel that it is, we want to strive to prepare our students so that they are academically challenged throughout their time in high school, but also because we want them to be prepared to excel in any courses that they will take once they leave high school and are in college. At Carmen, we expect our students to be engaged learners. One of our policies academically is that our students are required to have a 73% or above, which is equivalent to a C+ in order to obtain a credit for the course. In order to be able to graduate, our students are required to have 21 credits at the end of their 4th year at Carmen. In addition to our grading systems, we also do offer different types of advanced placement classes, which are college level courses that our students take during their time in high school that they can then earn college credit for when they are in college. Not only are students able to save time once they get to college by not having to take these courses, but they're also able to save money in the long run. Despite our rigorous academic program, we do offer different opportunities to ensure that our students are engaged throughout their academic journey at Carmen. This year, we have a math priority focus. And the reason we have focused on math this year is because it has been proven that students that excel in math are also most likely to excel in all other academic areas. In addition, students that excel in math are also most likely to hold higher paying jobs upon graduating college. These are some of the few reasons why it's so important that our students are excelling in math. And in addition to that, we are also working with our teachers to make sure that we are providing them with the proper training so that they are able to support our students in mathematics, but also in all other subject areas. In addition to that, we also offer office hours, which is an opportunity for our students to receive one-on-one support from their subject-specific teachers. And then we also offer advisory, which our students are placed with a counselor or advisor throughout their 4 years at Carmen. And we usually strive to make sure that they have that same advisor. And this advisor works with the student to make sure that they are, again, excelling academically, but also personally. Lastly, we offer summer school, which is an opportunity for students that perhaps didn't obtain a credit during the semester to be able to make up the credit during the summer in summer school. Carmen is a uniform school, and we do require uniforms to wear, our students to wear uniforms for numerous reasons. One of the reasons being is because we want our students to show that Carmen spirit, but also because we want them to come to school prepared to be engaged learners. In addition to that, a lot of our students do go out into the community, whether it be because of internships or different service opportunities. And so we want them to be dressed the part and to represent Carmen. Our uniform this year did change a little bit from what it looked like previously. However, the idea remains the same. Our students are required to wear a black, white, or burgundy polo with the Carmen logo, and then gray, black, or khaki dress pants, and any shoe of their choice. As we previously mentioned, part of our mission is to ensure that our students are college bound. And that means providing them all the resources, not only so that they are excelling academically, but also so that they are able to navigate the whole college process. And so at Carmen, that means that we start talking about college from the very start of their time at high school. Freshman year, students discuss different college possibilities, different majors, and they really start just navigating those conversations within their advisories. Once their students are in 10th grade, then they can start taking part in various pre-college programs and summer camps that are supported by different universities in the city of Milwaukee. Junior year students have the opportunity to take part in a class trip where they visit different universities throughout the United States. And so this is an opportunity for students to begin to more closely identify different types of schools they'd like to apply to, while also further learning about the different majors and programs that they offer, and also seeing if they offer financial aid or different opportunities for scholarships. Once students get to the 12th grade, then they start working towards the college process in a more intense way. Students have the opportunity to take the ACT, and then they also work with their college advisor to make sure that they are applying for scholarships, that they are applying to colleges, and that they are filling out the financial aid package. And once you finish at Carmen, your time with us doesn't end there. We also have our post-transition program, which works with our Carmen graduates to make sure that their transition from high school to college is going as smooth as possible. And so our post-transition coordinator reaches out to our graduates and makes sure that, again, they are getting the support they need, whether it be support in applying for different classes, or maybe it's because they need support filling out the financial aid or continuing to find different types of scholarship opportunities. They have that go-to person that they can reach out to even once they have left Carmen.
Hello, my name is Jai Vasquez. I'm a current senior here at Carmen High School. I want to say the college team has been a big help for me, especially me and my family, helped me guide through the process of picking the right college is best for me and my family. Also, FAFSA with financial aid has been also a big, really help with the college team as well. They've helped me. Hopefully I can attend my dream university, which is Illinois Institute of Technology, and study applied physics with a minor in mathematics.
Thank you, Yair, for sharing about your experience with our college program. Last year, our class of 2021 was accepted to over 137 different colleges, and in total, they earned over $21 million in scholarship money. Again, this was money that they were able to use towards their college education and that they will not have to pay back in the future. In addition to our college-bound program, we also have our career readiness program. And the purpose of this program is to ensure that our students have the resources and that they are developing the skills and starting to identify possible career paths that they can pursue after their time in high school. Our students also work with the career program early on in their time in high school. In 9th grade, our students have the opportunity to take part in a mock interview. We have professionals from the city of Milwaukee that come in and interview our students. It's an opportunity for our students to get a feel for what it's like to be interviewed so that once they are in interviewing for college or for a job, they know what that feels like. We also have career seminars where different professionals come to our school and talk about their different career paths. And we also have seminars where students write resumes so that they are able to share with their internships or for future possible job opportunities. And then in 10th, 11th, and 12th grade, our students have the opportunity to also take part in our student internship program. Students take one day of the week to go out and work for different organizations and companies in the city of Milwaukee. They get to immerse themselves in a field of their interest while working with other professionals, developing the soft skills needed to have success in a job. And oftentimes, a lot of our students are also earning money while they're taking part in these internships. And this is money that they can then use when they're in college to finance their college expenses. Lastly, we also have the STEM apprenticeship program, and it's a program where students become certified, whether it be in the medical field, in technology, or in customer service. For instance, we have students that become CNA certified, so they take additional classes after school where they become CNA certified, and then they go on and work for different hospitals. And so again, they're making money, but they're also gaining experience. They're working alongside professionals, and they're getting to further explore possible career paths. In the next slide, you're going to meet Tatiana Sanchez, and she shares a little bit about her experience with the internship program as well as the STEM apprenticeship.
Hello, I'm Tatiana Sanchez, and I'm currently a senior here at Carmen South High School. Through the career paths that our high school offers, I was given the opportunity to be part of the CNA program, which I'm now certified in. I'm currently a certified nursing assistant at Aurora St. Luke's on the neurosurgery floor. Not only has this opportunity let me immerse myself in the medical field, but it has also helped me develop skills I need to be successful in a professional setting. Additionally, I was given the opportunity to be part of the internship program. I'm currently an intern at Baird in the finance department. This comes to show that not only does Carmen do a great job preparing us academically, but it also cares for how we do outside of high school and outside of college in the real world.
At Carmen, we also strive for our students to be community engaged. We want them to be active participants of their community. We want them to be involved. As such, our students are required to commit 20 hours of community service per school year, and they need a total of 80 hours of community service to be able to graduate. Aside from the academics, Carmen also offers a large variety of different extracurricular activities for students to be involved and to explore different interests. Some of them are listed here on screen: National Honor Society, theater, yoga, student council. And a really unique thing about Carmen is that if we don't have a club that meets your interests, we can work with you to make sure that we have something that meets your interests, and so that you're able to also share with other members of your school community. Lastly, we also offer different sports at Carmen. We have a large variety of different sports, anywhere from soccer, tennis, basketball, baseball, softball, track and field. And we have anywhere from freshman level, so very beginner, all the way to JV and varsity, and everybody is able to participate. All that you need to be able to participate in the different sports is a physical and a $25 fee that covers the expense of transportation and uniforms per season. Now that I've shared a little bit about Carmen with you, it's important to discuss next steps. Most importantly, how to apply. So there are two ways that you can apply to Carmen. You can apply online by visiting www.carmenschools.org. At the top, you're going to click on enroll, and then you will fill out the application. Otherwise, if it's easier for you, you can also complete a paper application, which was given to you earlier today upon your arrival. Once you complete this paper application, you can email it to myself, Ms. Munoz, or you can drop it off at one of our Carmen campus locations. It is very important, however, that we receive the applications before the November 2nd deadline. Lastly, I do want to share with you, if you do want to learn more about Carmen and to be up to date with everything that is going on at Carmen, you can follow us in our different social media platforms listed here on the screen. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. We hope that the time here at Carmen was insightful for you. You were able to learn more about our school. And if you do have any questions, you can always reach out to me. And then once again, the application deadline is November 2nd. Thank you so much and have a great evening.